Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel Motomadness. Today I'm doing some touring mods on my bike. I'm gonna get a new saddle stay for my bike, and oh no, what they have done. They have blocked the road. No worries, I can go back in the parallel road. And like I was saying, I'm doing some traveling mods on my bike. I'm going to get a new saddle stay. Also, I'm gonna get a new set of tires because my old tires is already worn out. And that's not a touring mod, but either way, I thought I'll include this in today's video. And hey guys, I reached the store right now, and this is what we are going to do. So this is a rear rack which fits on the domino. So we are going to do a little bit of alteration to fit on this plate. What's the mesra?
Huh?
The mesra? Asim. So Asim is the mechanic guy who is going to help me with this. So let's get started. Alright, we are going to the hardware store where they are going to fit. So they have agreed to get the fitting done at 700 rupees, and the rack set was costing me 2.5 thousand, so that's a very good deal. Straighter, wo wala. ठीक है. Right now he's taking out the grab rails and he's going to adjust how to fit that. I'm not sure if many people know this, but these are not actually a metal. These are high density plastic. That's what makes them so much lighter and nice to have. So if you saw in the video earlier, so it has a curve like this, so they are going to hammer it down to make it straight. So if you noticed earlier, if you see the clamp, there's a lot of space underneath here. So they are doing another plate which will sit below that to give extra padding and make it suitable.
Alright, I got my tires from Vikram, so I'm heading to Vishwas garage. Alright, I'm at the Vishwas store and this is what currently my bike is looking like. Year ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಯರು
11-20 ಅಂತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
ಓಕೆ
11th week of 2020 ಇದು.
So this is the new tire which I got fitted yesterday. Looks very nice. The thread looks like awesome on this bike. I don't know how many people have the road fire on their Benelli 600i. This tire looks so pretty on the bike. I love the tread pattern, and since it is a road tire with nice grips on the wet road as well, so it's more like a all-weather tires. Next up is the saddlebags. I'll show you in a bit how I fitted this one, and see you in a second. Hey guys, after getting the fitting done, I had some issues where the angle of this and this were apart. This was all right. This one, however, was holding like this. So I came home, I hammered this area to tilt it a little inside, and then I had to hammer this a little from the back to bring it a little closer, because it was little far away where I could put like 4 fingers. Right now it's only having 2 finger gap both the sides, and a fist gap both the sides. So I had to hammer it out, and unfortunately the rascals who fitted this for me, they didn't paint it, and even the finishing were very rough. It was very coarse. So I got my angle grinder out and smoothened the surface a little, and all the sharp edges I smoothened it, and now and then I painted it, and now it's on the bike. I got some washers, and before I fitted this I got some rubber padding. I did this using the old, what you say, the tube from the old bikes. I went to a puncture shop, I got that from there, and then I gave that same padding over here in order to give it a little bit of flex, but still it fits very well, and there will be no vibration because of that. I did the same on both the sides. So this one was doing a little bit of sound yesterday when I rode from the shop, like 2 metals hitting each other, maybe because the nut was little loose or something. And doing this, the good thing is it will help you avoid rust and corrosion between 2 plates, and also reduces any noise in case of any, and it gives you like a rubberized pad. So that's what I was hoping to get, and now it looks pretty awesome. So right now I got plenty of stuff for a long tour comfort. One is this mesh seats. These are having nice cushion to them, right? These are the big mesh, not the small one, and they have cushioning effect. Also they keep you cool in summer. I'm mostly always traveling in summer, so that's the choice I went for. This is a saddle stay which I fitted yesterday, I had this fog lamp. So they are the spotlight, not the fog light. I mean, not the spotlight. They spread a lot. And this is the mobile holder which I did myself. I have a power mobile case, both summer and the waterproof one, which I use. And as a custom fitting, I have this mirror which comes in big bikes of Yamaha, like the 700, 900, etc., etc. So the bigger bikes. So this one has axis one, so you can rotate these. They are fitted with a spring loading mechanism in here, so you can rotate them when you don't need them, or so the mirror are better than the Benelli stock one because it covers a lot of what I see from back. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, see ya next time.